It's your boy Habib Educate. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to create a PayPal account. But before that, what is PayPal? PayPal is an online platform, where sending and receiving of cash is allowed. It serves as a bank through which you can send and receive cash between a customer and a company. That's a basic definition. Okay, yeah, it's an online platform. It is safe and secured. Okay, you can send money to your company for goods and you can receive it back and whatever. So without wasting my time, I'll share with you some of the things that you need before creating a PayPal account. But before that, this is a sad story. PayPal doesn't operate in Ghana, though there are some few African countries that it operates, but Ghana is excluded. Can you imagine? Togo is part, I think recently Nigeria, South Africa is part, but in all, how are we going to create it if it doesn't operate in Ghana? We're going to use or pretend we are from Lesotho. Lesotho is one of the smallest countries in Africa, which is located in South Africa. In South Africa itself, there's a smaller country within it, which is Lesotho. So among all those countries that operates PayPal, Lesotho has, the minimum or easiest documents and things to provide before you create the account. So because of that, Ghana or any country which is not eligible can also, it is similar. So you can just use your information and what have you, just provide them as if you are in Lesotho. Then boom, you can create. You are a businessman in Lesotho. That's how you pretend to be a businessman in Lesotho who is from Ghana, right? So you just fill your details and you are good to go. So I'm going to share my screen with you very soon, but before that, let me share with you some of the details or some of the things you need before creating a PayPal account, so that when you are coming to create a PayPal account, you won't waste your time doing a lot of. You have to prepare yourself before creating it, so that start creating. And now that you are going to leave it and go for this or search for this, and so let me share with you. I jotted down. Before creating a PayPal account, you have to prepare your email address. You have to have one. If you don't know how to create or have an email address, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't feel shy. I'm here for you. I got you, and I'm going to teach you how to get or create an email account. Even your children at home or your brothers and sisters, they can help you to do that. It's just easy. Then after your email account, you will need your personal details, some few details like your house address, street, and whatever for the business. Okay, then the third one, you're going to need your phone number, a business phone number. All right, so the fourth one, your ID card, either Ghana card or voters. Okay, either voters ID, Ghana card, or driving license, even if you have a passport. But when creating the account, you'll see all yourself. Then the fifth one, you're going to need a business name. Yeah, because the platform is used for business, online businessing, buying and selling. That's the platform where you can transfer the money to the company, or you can receive the money from a customer. That's it. So you have to get a business name. And the sixth one, you have to get the addresses, maybe the street address, the business address, where it is located, and other stuff. So that's it. And after that too, the country Lesotho will do a lot of things there and whatever. So without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. The browser Google Chrome is better. Then now let's open Google Chrome, type paypal.com/sl. then this is the PayPal interface. This is how it looks like, as you can see. Now we are going to open or create a PayPal account. Yeah, that's how the interface looks like. So we are going to hit sign up for free. Okay, sign up for free. Now here is a personal account and a business account. The difference is the business account has a lot of advantages compared to the personal account. The personal account, you can send money but you can't receive. So let's choose business account. Business account has a lot of advantages and a lot of features, so we are selecting business account. Now continue. Then now we are going to take on that and select whatever it demands, so that we'll just keep going. Okay, yeah, I got it. Verifying. Just to differentiate between you, the human being, and a robot. Still loading. Then now the email. Make sure the email you use, it has never been used to create a PayPal account before, and you should also know your password, because it must contain uppercase letters, small letters, and numbers. Yeah, so now let's put in the email address. Here is the email we are using. This is the password. Okay, all right, there we go. It contains both uppercase, lowercase letters, and whatever, so you can see all the three has been taken. Then now let's hit continue. Yeah, now here is where we are going to fill the business contact. Your legal first name. Okay, your legal first name and the legal last name, and the rest follows. Okay, so Habibullah Ahmed is and the last name is Bawa. Okay, then now the legal business name. As I told you, you have a business name. So now here goes the business name. So here goes the name, b.ture.group limited. You understand? That's my business name for educational purpose. Then now the business phone number. The Lesotho flag must be changed to Ghana flag, because you are a businessman or a business person from Ghana doing business in Lesotho. So you have to change that to a Ghana flag. Then you hit your Ghana business number. So now let's search for Ghana. Help me fish out Ghana. Okay, here is it. Ghana. Okay, all right, I got it. Here is it, Ghana. Okay, then your business number. Here is it. You see, I've already had my information, so it has been filled the moment I hit the number. Okay, so that place you put Accra, that's the state or region, and the postal code. If you are in Ghana, always it should be 00233. The dollar, don't change it, leave it as it is. Okay, because it is an international platform. All right, then all the details, let's check and see whether we fill all. All right, it is intact. Now hit the tick to agree and continue. Still loading. All right, now describe your business. Here I want to show you something. Choose individual or sole proprietorship. With that, you will not fill more information, but if you choose cooperation or partnership, there will be more information to fill. Okay, so just choose an individual or sole proprietorship, but it's up to you. If you can fill those informations, it's cool, but I chose individual and sole proprietorship. Then now public or service key, so you just put in what field. Okay, your business, is it a tech business? Are you selling durable goods? Is it a warehouse or what? So you just pick one there and fix it there. Make sure it matches with your business. Okay, all right, or the kind of business you want to do. Just type in whatever it is, and a lot of things will pop up. We just choose, then we move. All right, I'm done with it. If you don't have a website, don't fill the website side, don't fill anything there, just leave it there and tap continue. Then now here is where you tell them a lot about you. You put in your date of birth, Then the country, the nationality, change it from Lesotho to Ghana, because you are a businessman from Ghana doing business in Lesotho. Okay, doing business in Lesotho. So just find Ghana. Okay, then put your identity document. As I told you, I choose national ID. Then you put the national ID's number. Okay, the national ID's number. Then the home address, you see, same as business address. If it is not the same, you can change, but to me it's the same, so it will automatically pop up there. If you want to edit, you can do that. If you don't want to, you can leave it. Then submit. So let's check again and see everything is intact. Submit. Okay, so now what we have to do, is left with two places that we have to fill, but it is at the bottom. That's by confirming the email address in our Gmail box. Okay, you go to your Gmail, enter your email address and confirm that is the same email you are using to create this PayPal account. There are some who have more than 2 or 3 email addresses, so it is up to you, and you should also be able to know which one you enter to be able to confirm. Okay, so just look at the bottom, that's confirm email address. But for the link and confirm my debt, and for that one it will be another video. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to my Gmail. Okay, so just look at something here. You see where the H is, that's where you can change if you have more than 2 emails. At the top right hand side, just tap on it. I'm refreshing it before. Okay, I've tapped on it. I'll check through my emails. I have 3 of them. Okay, it's the one that I used to create the account that is still on, so I'll just go. You can see PayPal service, you can see confirm your email. The moment you confirm or you hit on confirm your email, it will automatically confirm and redirect you to PayPal service. Still loading. All right, here we go. Then now to confirm, I have to confirm my password here too. Okay, so you have to know your password. I'm re-entering the password here, as you can see. So after entering the password, you hit confirm email address. It's part of the process. So with that, you are done. Okay, you are done creating your PayPal account. So what will be left is how to connect it to either your bank account or your debit or Visa card. But because we are in Ghana and PayPal doesn't operate in Ghana, as I told you earlier, we can connect with our bank account. For that, we can connect with our Visa or debit card. So that will be a new or a different video on its own. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like, hit and subscribe, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So what I want to do now here is I want to log out. Okay, then re-log in and see whether it will pop up again. Just to confirm, you see the business name b.ture.group limited. Okay, so now I'm logging out. Okay, so now to log in, I don't have to hit on get started. I have to hit on log in at the top right hand corner. Okay, so now the email is already there. It's just for me to hit in the password, then hit on login. All right, let me enter the password. Okay, for educational purpose I have to hide my details. All right, I'm entering the password. Here we go. Let me save it so that whenever I'll just come next time, it will just enter without any difficulty. So here is it, meaning we are able to create the PayPal account. Congratulations to all who tried opening it through the process I taught you. So in a way of supporting, just try to hit the notification bell, also subscribe and leave a comment if you find the video interesting. Comment where you didn't get it. Comment if there is something you want me to highlight so that I will do that for you. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I'm logging out again because I know my password and everything. I will see you in the next video. Salam and thanks for watching. Finally, we are done with how to create a PayPal account. How was the video? Was it interesting? How did you get it? Did you find it easy to create your own? Don't worry, I get you going. As I told you, if you have your money lying idle, just use it. Buy things, from these big companies abroad at a cheaper rate and import them to Ghana, sell them, and you make your profit. That's it. No one's gonna arrest you or whatever. So, and the platform too is safe, as I told you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified, and as a way of also supporting the channel, you understand. But don't worry, and there's a next video coming. I'm going to teach you how to become a Jumia affiliate. That's the video. How to become a Jumia affiliate and start to make money through Jumia by posting your links and advertising products from Jumia to your customers, to your viewers, to your followers and what have you. Anyone who buys through that link, you get a commission from Jumia, and that's how a lot of people are making millions, from Jumia. And not Jumia alone, there are other platforms like Amazon and what have you. So a lot of people are becoming affiliates of these companies, trying to make money and what have you. So it's just a side hustle business, okay. And I will also teach you how to create a YouTube channel and start your things if you can. But don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. The next video is how to become a Jumia affiliate marketer. So for you to be the first person, or for you to see that video, you have to subscribe. If you subscribe, hit the notification button, hit all, so that whenever I upload that video, you'll be the first person to be notified. You'll see the video, how to become an affiliate. You go through the process, become an affiliate and start making money. We are here to make money. Now the system is hard, a lot of things are shooting higher, so we have to get some side hustle business and start earning. I got you, and I'll see you in the next video. Salam.